Hi guys, welcome to Linux Mini channel. Last time there was an error on the paper for number 2, so you guys can just put the adjustment. Alright, thanks so much guys. Thanks so much for watching my videos. Alright, let's go. So we're looking at circuit theorem, and this is a compulsory topic. So you guys want to learn circuit theorem. We're gonna be looking at a few more questions. Alright, so we are given this and we have A, B, and we are asked to find the value of x, given that this angle right here is 72. Now, the rules state that once it's coming from a diameter and it's obtained, this angle right here would equal to 90 degrees. So that's the key part in solving this one. So once you identify this is 90, then it becomes so much easier, because we know that angles in a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. So if this is 90, it would have meant that when we add x plus 72, that would also equal to 90, because the total for any triangle must be 180. So that means we can just simply say x plus this must equal to 90. So we can just basically transpose and we subtract 72 from 90. And that will be our answer. So this would be 8. So the value of x would be 18 degrees. Alright. Let's just put it in. So this would be 18 degrees. Alright, let's look at 10. So we are given, again, it's coming from a diameter and the angle form right here. So m would equal to 90 degrees. And that is the rule itself. So that one is pretty straightforward. If they had asked us to find this angle right here, we could have also find this angle. Once we know any two angles in a triangle, we should be able to calculate the third angle, because all three angles must sum to 180. So all we'd have to do to find this is 90. So if they had asked us to find this, all we have to do is subtract 33 from 90, and that will be our answer. I think this is too bright though, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So this is gonna be 8. So right, this angle right here, they did not ask for it, but you know what, already guys. Teaching on my things, and I like to teach. Alright, let's go. Let's move on to what we're at number 10. Let's see if we can move on to 11 and so on. Alright. Hit the like button, guys, if you're just joining. Hit the like button if you're watching the playback. Alright, let's move on to number 11. Alright. This is the same rule. Right? Angles in a add up to 90 degrees once it's obtained by the diameter. So this one is pretty straightforward. So what we can do now, we know that it's coming from this diameter. So this angle right here would be 90 degrees. So all we have to do is to figure out and say, okay, whatever A is plus 2A, that should also equal to 90 degrees. Why? Angles in a triangle sum up to 180. So if we have 90 already, that means the other two must add up to 90. They are both like terms. So what we can do is to say, okay, A plus that equal 90. So we can divide by 3, and that will give us the value of A. 90 divided by 3 is 30 degrees. So the value of A is 30 degrees. That means this angle right here is 30 degrees, and this angle would be 2 times 30. So this angle here would be 60 degrees. Just in case they had asked for it. You know, I think deep and wide. Alright, let's move on to 12. Now it says that this is coming from a diameter again, so that's the first thing I check. So this means this is 90 degrees. Doesn't matter how it turn, once it's coming from the diameter to form a triangle. So that means both of them add up to 90 degrees. Both of them are like terms, so we can say x plus x, that's 4x, equal to 90 degrees. So we're going to divide by 4 now. So 4 into 90. So 4 into 9, that's a 2 times. Remainder 1. 4 into 10 goes 2 times. And they have 2 over 4, which you can convert to a half. So one of the angle would be 22.5 or 22 and a half. So right here would be 22.5. That means for this angle it would be 3 times this. 3, 5, 15, 5 carry 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 7, 3, 2, 6. One decimal place, so it's 67.5. As remember, these two angles must add up to 90 degrees. They did not ask me to do all of this, but just in case you guys want to learn, I'm very interested in helping you guys accomplish that goal. Alright? Hit the like button now, guys. Hit the like button. You share this with nobody yet? Come on, guys. What not deal with, man? What if effort going to these videos, What if effort? Come on, let's go. All you have to do is just click a button. Pass your dollar. Alright. So we're on to 30 now. This one look a little bit shaky, but very easy nevertheless. Alright, so let us look at it practical. So we see we have an isosceles triangle right here. Both of them coming from the center. That means it makes both of them a radius. So this angle right here would be 32. They didn't ask us for this. However, I think it's necessary to find this. Alright. This is coming from, right here is a diameter. So that means this angle right here should be a total of 90. So we're going to find n first, and then we try to figure out the rest. So n is equal to, both this add up to 90, so that means that n is equal to 90 minus 32. 2 from, that leave 8. 3 from 8 leave 5. So this angle n is 58. So we know that much. This angle should also equal 58 right here. So this angle right here should equal 58. Why? It's an isosceles triangle again. See the radii, another radii. So that means when you add this and this, you should get to a 108. So to find t, that equal to 180 minus 108. 8 and 8, 16. No, 160. So we add 58 and 58. Remember, angles in a triangle add up to 180. 6 from that you can't, so we borrow 1. That left 4. 1 from 7 leaves 6. So right here should be 64. There's another way that we could have approached it. I'm going to look at that also. We could have said, okay, since this is 32 and this is 32 right here, so all of this add up to 64, right? So that means right here, so would be 180 minus the 64, which would give us 116. And then now we can say angles on a straight line add up to 180. So there are more one way that we can look at it. So that means t is equal to 64. We are asked to find W now, which I think is very easy because we know that this is coming from the diameter. So right here would be 90 degrees. and they told us that it's an isosceles triangle. So they told us that this length is equal to this length. That means these angles are equal, these angles. So here's how we double. If both of them add up to 90 and they are equal, what would be double? Type that in now, guys. What would be the value of double? Let's see how many persons can type that in. Alright, so that means you have two double equal 90 degrees. So that means double to be the value. That is the 45. So this is 45. They didn't ask us for this one. However, I'm just gonna put it in. And remember, this is an cyclic quadrilateral, right? So this plus this must give you 180. That is true. I want you guys to add 32, 45, 45, and 58. And tell me if we get 180. Because this angle, all of this angle right here, and you add all of this angle right here, it's a cyclic. So all of these must add up to 180. They are supplementary. Alright? Alright, let's move on to number 14. Hit the like button if you're just joining. Hit the like button, guys. Let's look at this one now. This one is also very easy. Alright, guys. If you look, it's coming from the diameter. So this angle right here should be 90. And this angle should be 90. Alright, they said this is 50. Right here is 50. So I'm going to find angle C first. That means C plus 50 should give you 1. Should give you 90. So C plus 50 should give you 90. That means what would be the value of C? What plus 50 give you 90? Type that into my line. So we just transpose by subtracting. So C is equal to 40. So we know the value of C of 40. We could drop in this right here. So. Alright, we know say this is 90. Right here, so it would be 50 because it's vertically opposite. So right here, so 50. So B plus 50. So this angle, B is also 40 degrees. Which other one we need now? So 50 and 50 are 100. We can find this angle right here, very easy. Since, oh, alright. There's another route that we can take, guys, to find angle A. Since this is a triangle, let's look at this triangle right here. I just saw this. You're considering this triangle right here. This is 18. Right here is 90. So that means all of this angle should be 18 plus whatever. This 18 plus A plus C give you 90 degrees. All of this plus angle, the angle here give you 90 degrees. But we already know say this is a 40, right? So we can say 18 plus 40 plus A, because the angle A we are looking for, equal 90 degrees. So all we have to do is just add up these two and then we can get. So that will give you 58 plus A equal 90. So in order to get A, all we have to do is to simply subtract 58 from 90 and that would be our answer. 8 from that you can't, so that we got 8. Put a 1 here, so that's a 2. 5 from 8, 32. So right here would be 32. We could have gone the long way and figure out this angle right here. Could have done that also. Alright. Remember guys, this is not coming from a radii. So I think that's one of the things. It's a very nice question. Very nice question. Alright, so on to 15 now. This is coming from a diameter. So right, they always look for that. They look if it's a cyclic, they look if it come from a radii or what this is coming from a diameter. So that means all of this angle is 90 degrees. So what that tells us, it tells us that this plus this is 90. So a plus 4a and 90. So let's just match up that fast. So we can find the value of a first. So we have 5a equal 90. 5 into 9 goes 1 time and remainder 4. 5 into 40 goes 18 times. So this is 18. That makes this an isosceles because it's coming from the radii. So this is 18 also. Alright. Alright, let me just put in a value for this. Because this equal to the angle here. C equal to 4a. Because see, it's an isosceles triangle. So both of them coming from C. Alright, so that means 8, 4a would be 4 times 18, right? 4, 8 is 32. So we take 72 now. 4 ones, 4, and that's 72. So right here is 72. That means this angle C is 72 also. It's an isosceles triangle. Alright? And to find this one, we can easily find this one by adding 72 and 72 and subtract it from 150. So we get the answer already though. So A equal 18 and C equal 72 degrees. Alright, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in part 2. Alright, part 3.